Hello everyone, my name is Sir and I have secured AIR 12 and CS executive exams. I took all the subject classes from MEPL, and of course MEPL has played a great role in my success. As everyone says, teachers are your biggest blessing. So fortunately, I have seen it. And I will really appreciate Mohit Sir's energy. Even during the exam times, he continued to put up videos saying, okay, now the battle is almost over, do not give up, because you know how stressful those 8 days are for you. And of course, the way he teaches company law is something I've always admired. I really used to diligently watch his company law classes. So yes, my success is also attributed to all the amazing teachers I have been fortunate enough to study from.